Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the BlackHat methods to make $0 to $100 per day. I know a lot of people are struggling with financial constraints right now, and I hope this video helps you find some great ideas to earn some extra cash. Method 1. Online surveys. One of the easiest and most popular ways to earn money online is by taking surveys. Companies and businesses are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services. You can sign up for websites like Swagbooks, Survey Junkie, and Vendor Research to start earning money by answering surveys. You won't get rich with this method, but it's a great way to make some extra cash on the side. Method 2. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill or talent, freelancing is an excellent way to make money. You can offer services like graphic designing, writing, video editing, or social media management to clients on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms and set your own rates. With the right skills and marketing, you can earn a decent amount of money through freelancing. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn money by promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms. You can sign up for affiliate programs with companies like Amazon, eBay, or ClickBank and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote these products through product reviews, blog posts, or social media posts. Method 4. Online teaching and tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or teaching services. Websites like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create and sell courses online. You can also offer one-on-one tutoring services through websites like Chegg and TutorMe. With the rise of online learning, this is an excellent opportunity to make money while helping others learn. Conclusion. So there you have it. 4 BlackHat methods to make $0 to $100 per day. These methods may require some effort and time, but they are legitimate and sustainable ways to earn money online. Which one of these methods are you most interested in trying out? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.